What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play I'm Sorry by Shiloh Dynasty. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll throat punch you in the face. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright, you guys, this song's in standard tuning and you're only using a few different chords that you're picking through. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description. So if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump into the description. It's there for you. You're starting out with this chord here. It's 0, 5, 7, 6, 7, 5. Then you're going to this chord here. It's 0, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4. Then you're coming down here to 0, 9, 7, 9, 9. And then the final chord, you only have to play 7, 7, 7, 8. So 7, 7, 7, 8. Those are the only strings you're playing for that chord there. Now for your picking pattern, you're starting with that first chord. You're picking A, D, B, E. Again, A, D, B, E. Then you're going to pluck A, B, and E all at once. So, one more time. Once more. Then jump down to that next chord. You're plucking the same thing that you just did at the very end there, A, B, and E at the same time. So, one more time. Then these last two chords are very easy because all you're doing is picking all four strings that your fingers are on for this chord here, the A, the D, the G, and the B. And if you can pick all four of them, great. If you can only pick the A, the D, or the G, and the B, that's fine too. But try and pick all four of them if you can, all at once. And then go to that final chord and you're just picking the low E, the D, and the G once. So those look like one more time. So I'm going to play that all together slowly so you can really see what it looks like. If your hand starts to hurt, that's 100% okay, because even mine playing through this starts to get a little bit crampy. So if your hand starts to hurt, just take a little break for a second, get back to practicing. This will really help your hand strength build up. So all together slowly, we got one more time. And what I'm doing there is in between some of the picking, I'm throwing some slaps in there to mute it. The first one is right after you pick all four strings first. So you mute right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, mute, pick, mute, pick, wait just a little bit longer, mute. So and then I'm just, after I strum that once, mute, mute. So all together slowly, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.